Are you opening a home daycare or a child care center and you're wondering how fast can I get children enrolled into my program? One of the first things that you can do is offer something for free. We all like free stuff, right? So what you can do is say, for the month of December, we're going to take away the $75 registration fee. So you want to make sure that you put a time on there, okay? This helps parents to speed up, or those that were planning on coming to your program a little later, they'll come for the month of December because you put that special out there. So by you saying for the month of December, it's starting to look a lot like Christmas, and we have this special promotion going on. We're going to, you don't have to pay the $75 registration fee for the month of December, but you must join by December the 31st. You're setting yourself up for the new year, number one. Number two is the client that was going to come in January is now going to want to save money, and they're going to come in December instead of January. Okay, so this is one way to get some clients in fast by setting a promotion, offering something for free. The second thing that you could do, offer free childcare for a week. If you're able to do that, say for the first week, if you enroll by December the 12th, December the 15th, whatever the day you may be, then you will be able to get one free week of childcare. We all like free stuff. Put the date on there or when the deadline is. Once again, the family that was going to start in January, or we're going to enroll in your program in January, now you put a demand on it. They're going to come to your program early now. Offer free childcare. Another way to get students enrolled in your program is to begin to highlight your program. Go on Facebook, use all your social media platforms, begin to talk about all the great things that you have to offer in your program. Show up on your platforms every day talking about your curriculum, talking about what the children do outside. Show some arts and craft activities. Show them what you have to offer, what makes you stand out in your program. You want to get on your social media platforms and you want to say, hey, we have open enrollment for the month of December, and then begin to highlight special things into your program and share what the students are doing. So that is another way to get parents to act fast, is use your social media platforms. It's free. So that is another great way. I've shared with you three ways that you can help clients to come into your program fast, and that is by offering some form of free service using your platforms such as Facebook, such as Instagram. I noticed that some programs are on TikTok, but use the platform that is working for you. If Facebook is working for you, use Facebook. If Instagram is working for you, use Instagram. Use your platform, use your voice, begin to let others know that you have a program and you're serving children, and this is what your program has to offer, okay? So that's what you can do. So if you need more help with opening your child care program, with strategies for enrollment, book a discovery call with me. And I've also done another video. I will be discussing how to set your rates, how to set a decent price for your child care program. And until next time, bye-bye.